Is it that time of night again for the probability calculator? I think it is. What's going on, everyone? So despite the numbers yesterday, I believe we had a absurd like 30, 39, 61 AMC shot, and then it was worse for GME actually than it was AMC. And despite that, we both finished green. So even if the fidelity calculator goes against you, you can still bet against it, which is what I did yesterday. I still picked the upside for today, and sure enough, barely made the call. Anyways, let's take a look at the options chain and the calculator for tomorrow's trading day, September 3rd. So if we look at GameStop here, to start, let's go to all strike prices real quick. And so again, the calculator is a projection of the options chain. That is what it's using this data here to project a percent chance up or down move for the following day or any day that you set. We just happen to look at the next trading day because that's all that matters, is the next day in front of us. So shaded are out of the money, non-shaded are, shaded are in the money, non-shaded are out of the money. That's why it flips on both sides here. You have calls on the left, puts on the right, and you have open interest, which is the amount of contracts that are still open. And then you have volume, which is the amount that is traded hands. So you can see here on the put side, we do have a little bit in the money down here at the near side, but not a lot to be relevant. On the call side, in the money, we have quite a bit here sitting right at the strike price that we're at 212.5. And then moving down the chain here, you can see that volume starts to ramp up quite a bit between strikes. You got 250, 300, 400, and then 450, you got nearly 8,000 contracts in open interest. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Again, puts just absolutely nothing so far. Tomorrow is last day of the week, so it's interesting to see this not change. And again, now look at that delta, still alive. I'm sorry, look at that gamma, still alive. Delta 0.002, still a chance. With the IV being so high, we'll have to wait and see. But again, always bullish. So for the calculator now, change the date to 9/3. All right, 47.19 above, 52.81 below. Much better than yesterday, but still underneath that 50% mark. I'm still going to go with the upside tomorrow. I think we're going to continue the run. Even if it's a flat day, I still think we flip green. So we'll see. Now let's take a look at AMC, and then we'll take a peek at the options as well. Okay, a little bit better. Just about a coin flip for AMC, so take it for what it's worth. I guess it could go either way. And now, as far as the options chain for AMC, I imagine it's going to be the same. As far as ramping, just with more volume, more open interest as well. So yeah, basically the same thing. You have a little bit more puts, obviously, in the money or out of the money. But as far as right here, you got nothing. So look at that, 27.9 thousand. Congratulations, Francisco. You just made a cameo in this video. Damn, boy, 27K. Now, the thing is, if anyone knows, I was wondering about this. Do you know that if you sell a call, does it register as open interest? If anyone can answer that question, that would be amazing. Anyways, that's what we're looking at for tomorrow, about a coin flip or so. It's there in the chain. Only thing is, if we can determine if this can be sold and registered as volume or as open interest, that would be interesting. So anyways, that's it. So jacked for tomorrow as always. And don't forget, a long 3-day weekend ahead of us, so keep that in mind. So next week will be cut short. So y'all have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.